Welcome to a transformative journey into the realm of meditation, an ancient practice that has gained global traction for its profound impact on well-being. As we delve into meditation, we'll discover how it transcends cultural and geographical boundaries, appealing to all seeking tranquility and inner peace. Meditation is known for its powerful benefits, reducing stress by calming the mind, improving emotional health by providing a space for self-reflection, and enhancing self-awareness by helping individuals connect deeply with their true selves. These benefits together pave the way for a healthier, more mindful, and more fulfilling lifestyle. Meditation comes in various forms, each serving different purposes and preferences. Let's explore some: mindfulness meditation, which focuses on the present moment; spiritual meditation, which seeks a deeper connection with a higher power or the universe; focused meditation, which involves concentration on a single object, sound, or thought; movement meditation, which combines meditation with activities like yoga or walking; and mantra meditation, utilizing repetitive sounds to clear the mind. For all types, a serene environment and a comfortable posture are crucial, enhancing focus and facilitating a deeper meditative state. Embarking on your meditation journey begins with the basics: securing a tranquil space where disturbances are minimized, essential for maintaining focus and calmness. Start with short sessions, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Central to meditation is breathing. Focus on your breath to anchor your mind in the present. Equally important is the non-judgmental observation of your thoughts. Recognize them as they arise and gently let them pass, cultivating a mindset of openness and acceptance. These steps lay a solid foundation for a consistent and enriching meditation practice. In meditation, common challenges arise, such as wandering thoughts, feelings of restlessness, and difficulties in maintaining a regular practice. To navigate these, first understand that it's normal for the mind to wander. Gently bring your focus back to your breath each time. For restlessness, adjust your posture or meditate at different times to find when you're most at peace. Consistency can be the trickiest. Set a fixed time each day for meditation to establish a routine. Remember, patience and persistence are key in overcoming these obstacles and deepening your meditation practice. To elevate your meditation practice, consider integrating technology and community support. Meditation apps offer a plethora of guided sessions tailored to various goals and levels, providing structure and variety to keep you engaged. Similarly, attending meditation classes can connect you with experienced instructors and fellow practitioners, offering motivation and deepened learning. Further enhance your routine by maintaining a regular schedule, creating a daily habit that becomes second nature. Additionally, keeping a meditation journal helps in tracking your progress, reflecting on experiences, and observing patterns in thoughts and emotions that arise during sessions.